Don't you dare say that I wanted everything to fall apart when it's hard to me.
Hello, buenos dias! Thank you for dropping by Junn Jenny World. For today's episode, gagawa po tayo ng kimchi. Simple at madali po siyang gawin, kaya join us po as we show you how to make kimchi at home. First off, we need our ingredients. We will use some napa cabbage, carrots, cucumbers, apples, and spring onions. Salt to soak the cabbage and carrots in. We should soak these two for a minimum of 2 hours, sabi po ni Chef Junn. For our kimchi paste naman, gagamit po tayo ng Korean red chili pepper flakes, garlic, pears, fish sauce, apple, at brown sugar. You can use a blender or a food processor para paghaluin ang mga ito hanggang maging paste po siya. Next nating gagawin ay hugasan ang nakababad na cabbage at carrots. Pipigain hanggang mawala yung ekstrang tubig. Then, we can add the sliced spring onions, cucumbers, apples with the kimchi paste. Make sure lang po lahat ng mga gulay at prutas ay nababalutan ng kimchi paste. Tada! It's done! Syempre, food taster lang po ako. We can eat it as is, but of course, the rest needs to be fermented para maging kimchi po siya. Thank you for watching. We hope you like this video and please try po ninyong gumawa ng kimchi. Until next time, God bless us all. Ciao!